Ah, GTR, I can't lose. Alright guys, we made it. Let's see what happens. I predict if we can get this thing to launch, because I was trying to activate launch control right now. I wasn't even activating. I mean, I can still build up some boost with the brake, but it's not launch control. So I guess we'll find out what happens. But if it does work, I don't see why we should do like a 6, 7, something like that. Alright guys, everything is good. We're all set. They said the camera was cool on the back, so hopefully that works out. I'm just gonna go off of the brake, just build up a little bit of boost, and that's typically what these guys do. So we'll see, man. Either it's gonna go good or go bad. And hopefully we don't break anything.
2,000 years later.
Finally moving. Been sitting here for like 30 minutes, no lie. First guy told me I could use the camera on the back, and the guy over here told me I can't. So unfortunately, no 360 footage at the track. Sad boys. This is the first time ever Kicks at the track. Oh, of course I'm racing a track hawk. Of course.
Have your helmet and a fire jacket, sir?
I have a helmet.
Huh?
I have a helmet, not a jacket.
Okay, you're running 698. Anything below 725, you need to have a fire jacket next time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Well, but hey, I'll take it. We in the 6s. That was a long time for a pass though, I ain't gonna lie. Waited like probably almost 40 minutes. Damn, it's hot. says my reaction was 0.103. My 60 foot was 1.8. All right, guys, so check it out. We got a little video. The reaction time was actually crazy. And that was a bad launch, low key. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that, bro. That's actually crazy. So, first time ever at the track, no launch control. For a guy that don't do this, not bad. Oh dang, that was an 18. I was on boost a little too early, so the car started kind of like trying to do a burnout. I definitely didn't time that one right, so that was an L. Now launch control is activating. I'm still trying to get used to this freaking light, because every time I pull up, I don't know if I'm good or if I'm not good. Like, they're not really confirming. The car felt really good on that launch though. If we would have had that launch on the first one, that was a 6665 for sure. So let's see if we can get one more out of here. I don't know, for some reason I don't like the left lane. I don't know why. Ah, GTR, I can't lose. I can't lose. See, now launch control is activating. I don't know. That wasn't bad. Oh, it's hot. We won, and the car felt decent, so that might be a 6.8 maybe. It didn't feel as good as the last launch, but it didn't feel bad. I'm gonna attempt to launch it. I don't think it's gonna work though. Worth a try. Yeah, this surface is pretty rocky. Well, yeah, that launch on the street was a complete fail. I'm still trying to learn the launch control in this car. Launch control activates, and then you have to like time it perfectly, or the car starts to like try to do a burnout. So definitely got to work on that and just figure out what's going on with that. Half the time in the track, it wasn't even activating, so I was just going off the brake. Will I go again? Probably. I at least want to see if we can crack like a 6.5 in this car. That'd be nice. But yeah, man, there was a lot of burnouts. I know I killed a lot of my tire. These tires are not cheap. So that's why I be sticking to the rolls, man. The gray G82, that's also a PQ car. Pretty much we both had like the same stuff done. So that was a cool little run. I think I spun a little bit. That was fun, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is definitely something different. Like I said, I've never been to the track. This is my first time. I've only been to a half-mile event, and that is something completely different. But this is actually my first time going to the track, going off of a light at the tree. First time. So obviously there's going to be some trial and error. Still trying to figure out the whole staging thing and like perfect the light. Trial and error, man. It is what it is. We'll be back. But on that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to drop a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You already know we got more content on the way. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.